What if just 10 days of simple biotin-rich foods could trigger this incredible hair growth spurt, boosting length and thickness naturally? But right now, that changes forever with this proven 10-day biotin foods challenge. No pills, no treatments, just delicious meals, unlocking your hair's hidden potential. Smoked salmon toast breakfast, grilled fillet lunch, baked with herbs dinner. Inflammation drops, thickness rises. Day 4. Sweet potatoes, sweet biotin boost. Cinnamon mashed breakfast, crispy baked fries lunch. Stuffed dinner, beta-carotene revives dull strands. Day 5. Creamy avocados absorption, heroes. Avocado toast with eggs, tuna avocado salad, stuffed chicken dinner. Fats, amplify every biotin benefit. Day 6. Earthy mushrooms, antioxidant shield. Omelette, add-ins, stir-fry lunch, creamy soup dinner. Protect follicles for uninterrupted growth. Day 7. Sunflower, seeds, zinc, power. Sprinkled oatmeal, seed-crusted fish, trail mix snacks. Strands strengthened visibly. Day 9. Spinach, greens iron, synergy. Morning smoothie, massive salad lunch, spinach quiche dinner. Oxygen flows to follicles. Day 10. Nut medley, celebration walnuts, pecans, nut butter breakfast, topped salads, crusted proteins. Seal the spurt with variety. Drink water, gently massage, scalp, avoid heat. By day 10, less shedding, more volume. That thrilling emotional rush hits hard. Want to keep this growth going forever? Subscribe now for the next secrets. For next video, visit to the channel.